findings contained in these 3 books are wide-ranging and shed light on the challenges in the Namibian legal system. Co-author John Lekuta, who directs the Human Rights and Documentation Center of the University of Namibia, attributed the delays to the high crime rate, police qualifications, crowded prisons, and the lack of emphasis on criminal rehabilitation during incarceration. Lekuta said court technicalities stopped ordinary people from obtaining justice, citing the McNabb case that challenged the right to dignity in police detention as an example, adding that trials had been slow to complete in the country.
It takes very, very long for trials to be concluded in Namibia. We've made some references of cases that took almost 10 years to complete. And that is both, and it goes for both criminal cases as well as civil cases. And we are saying that is worrisome because the right to a fair trial, which obviously includes, as I said, the right to a speedy trial, is entrenched and guaranteed.
High Court Judge President Petrus Damasep welcomed the critique with caution, stressing that the courts finalized criminal cases after all the evidence had been led during trials. He further stressed that the power to prosecute criminal offenders was in the hands of the Prosecutor General, who decides when people should be prosecuted and when prosecution should be stopped.
It is the Prosecutor General who decides what cases to prosecute, which witnesses to call, and for what offences individuals to prosecute. The courts have no say. The Prosecutor General alone can decide whether to terminate a prosecution and whether to continue with it to finalization. It is not allowed under our present constitutional order for a judge to tell the Prosecutor General that, as far as I'm concerned, this is the end of this case and that the prosecution must end.
He said in civil cases or cases between ordinary people, the court had introduced a case management system to accelerate such cases. Damasep said this system had removed the power to move cases through court from the complainants into the court's control. According to him, the speed of bringing civil cases to completion has since improved. He said the law would never function without technicalities, further cautioning that society should not expand the roles of judges to include accommodation of social views. He said the role of the courts remained that of interpreting the law. The Finnish embassy funded the publication.